Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to CJM High School online class. I am Muhammad Saiful Islam Choudhury, teacher CJM High School. My dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss with you a new topics from English for today for class 8. I hope you are all ready. Are you ready? Let's enjoy the class. My dear student, now I am showing you some picture. Look at the picture carefully and try to guess what our today's lesson may be. Today our lesson is about flashback, unit 5, lesson 2. These are learning outcomes of these topics. If you follow the class attentively, after finishing the lesson, we will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, infer meaning from the context, ask and answer questions, fill in the blanks, and write a short paragraph. My dear learners, here is a passage. Today we will learn a very pathetic story about a teenage girl like you named Shamima. Now I am read out the passage. At first, I am reading the passage loudly. Listen to me attentively. Then you have to read it. Flashback. Flashback অর্থ হচ্ছে ফিরে তাকানো। আমরা যে এখানে আসি ঠিক তার থেকে পেছনে ফিরে তাকানো ঠিক এটা নয়। এটা হচ্ছে অতীতের কোনো স্মৃতি রোমন্থন করা। Shamima started to tell us her story. শামিমা আমাদেরকে তার গল্প বলা শুরু করেছিল। Listening to her, তার গল্প শুনে we were stunned, আমরা স্তম্ভিত হয়ে গিয়েছিলাম। And at the same time, আবার একই সময়ে our hearts were filled with admiration for her. আমাদের হৃদয়ে তার জন্য সম্মানজনক অবস্থান তৈরি হয়েছিল। It was 1995. এটা ছিল 1995 সাল। Shamima was 15 years old. শামিমার বয়স ছিল 15 বছর। She got promoted to class 8. সে 8ম শ্রেণীতে উত্তীর্ণ হয়েছে। Shamima had all the dreams of an adolescent. একজন কিশোরীর মনে যে সকল ভাবনা জাগে, শামিমার মধ্যেও ঠিক এই ধরনের তার মনে স্বপ্ন জেগেছিল। She wanted to bring about a change in her life. সে চেয়েছিল তার জীবনে একটা পরিবর্তন আনতে। She wanted to see happiness in her family too. সে তার পরিবারে সুখ সমৃদ্ধিও চেয়েছিল। She knew she could fulfill her dream by completing her education and getting a good job. সে জানতো সে লেখাপড়া শেষে একটা ভালো চাকরি করে তার এই স্বপ্নকে সে সফল করতে পারবে। 15 years old Shamima's dreams were nipped in the bud. 15 বছরের কিশোরী শামিমার স্বপ্ন অঙ্কুরেই বিনষ্ট হয়ে গেল। Her father wanted to marry her off against her will. তার বাবা তার ইচ্ছার বিরুদ্ধে তাকে বিয়ে দিতে চেয়েছিল। Marrying off a girl under 18 is against the law in Bangladesh. 18 বছরের নিচে কোনো মেয়েকে বিয়ে দেওয়া এটা বাংলাদেশি আইনে সঠিক নয়, এটা বেআইনি। শামিমা did not want to get married. শামিমা এই বিয়েতে রাজি ছিল না। But nobody paid any heed to her. কিন্তু কেউই তার কথায় কর্ণপাত করেনি, তার কথা পাত্তাই দেয়নি। They arranged her marriage with a man much older than her. তারা আয়োজন করেছিল শামিমার বিয়ের তার চাইতে অধিকতর একজন বয়সী পুরুষের সাথে। All her tears and protest went in vain. তার সকল চোখের পানি, তার সকল প্রতিবাদ বৃথা গেল, নিষ্ফল হয়ে গেল। শামিমা was married off to কামালউদ্দিন জোয়ারদার। অবশেষে কামালউদ্দিন জোয়ারদারের সাথে শামিমার বিয়ে হয়ে গেল। My dear learners, let's learn some new words with meaning. First one is stun. Stun means স্তম্ভিত হওয়া, হতবাক হয়ে যাওয়া। Surprised, shocked, astonished. Shamima's pathetic story made us stunned. Admiration. Admiration মানে শ্রদ্ধা, honor, praise. Every student has admiration for their teacher. Adolescent, কিশোর বয়স, আমরা যেটাকে টিন এজ বলি, 13 to 17. Adolescent, teenager, tender age. We should take care to the adolescent. Heed, to pay attention, মনোযোগ দেওয়া। Student should heed to the teachers. My dear learners, let's introduce with some phrases with Bengali meaning. Pay heed to. Pay heed to means care for, take interest. আগ্রহ দেখানো। The boy paid heed to his mother. Nip in the bud. অঙ্কুরেই বিনষ্ট হওয়া। Destroy in the initial. All his hopes were nipped in the bud. Another phrase is in vain. বৃথা যাওয়া, নিষ্ফল হওয়া। Fruitless. All her protest and tears were in vain. My dear student, now MCQ, multiple choice question. You know, here are 4 answers. One is correct answer and another 3 is distractor. এখানে একটি প্রশ্নের 4টি উত্তর রয়েছে, একটি সঠিক উত্তর, বাকি 3টি বিক্ষেপক। Number 1, the word verbally means orally. Number 2, Shamima's husband was a or an dash person. Refreshers, hingsro. Shamima was married up to a man much dash than her, older, much older than her. The word admiration in the second sentence means respect. Number 5, she has experienced the cruel dash of life, the cruel treatment of life. Number 6, Shamima's story made everyone astonished. Number 7, her dreams were dash after her marriage. Her dreams were broken after her marriage. Marrying of a girl under 18 in Bangladesh unlawful, beaini. And who supported Shamima in that situation? ওই অবস্থায় শামিমাকে কে সহযোগিতা করেছিল? কে তাকে সমর্থন করেছিল? No one. কেউই তাকে সমর্থন করেনি। My dear learners, now read the passage again and answer the following question. What did Shamima dream of? Who was Shamima married of? When was she married of? Why did all her tears and protest go in vain? How did the conjugal life of Shamima begin? What is the law of Bangladesh in terms of marrying of a girl? Compare with your answer. What did Shamima dream of? শামিমার স্বপ্ন কি ছিল? Shamima dreamed of making a change in her life and her family. Number 2, who was Shamima married of? কার সাথে শামিমার বিয়ে হয়েছিল? Shamima was married off to Kamaluddin Juardar, who was much older than her. When was she married off? কখন তার বিয়ে হয়েছিল? She was married off in 1995 at the age of 15. Number 4, why did all her tears and protests go in vain? All her tears and protests went in vain, as nobody paid any heed to her, and she was married against her will. Number 5, how did the conjugal life of Shamima begin? The conjugal life of Shamima began with sorrow and misery. What is the law of Bangladesh in terms of marrying of a girl? Marrying of a girl under 18 is against the law in Bangladesh. My dear learners, read the passage again and fill in the gaps with appropriate word. Shamima was 15 years old. She got promoted to class 8. Shamima had all the dreams of an adolescent. She wanted to bring about a change. She wanted to see happiness in her family too. She knew she could fulfill her dream by completing her education and getting a good job. My dear learners, here is a homework for you. Write a paragraph about Shamima from your imagination. That's all for today. Thank you all.